Hello, today we'll show you how to bulk update tracking numbers for orders in Shopify using Altera. Altera is an alternative to Matrixify that allows you to import and export almost all your store data with spreadsheets. To get started, we have 3 orders here in our sample store. What we'll do is we'll go over to Altera and we'll click on New Export to export this data. We'll select Orders for the data to export, and down here we can choose the different types of fields we need. We really just need the general columns and the fulfillments, so we'll choose that. There's also the ability to filter for the specific orders you would like to export. In our case, we can say fulfillment status is equal to fulfilled, and then we'll go over here to start the export. Now in just a second, the app will export that data to a spreadsheet. We can download that file and open up here. You'll notice that the format of the spreadsheet is compatible with Matrixify, and if we scroll over to the right, we'll see the different columns that we want to keep in our file for us to re-upload it to the app. If you have more than one fulfillment for an order, you'll need to keep the fulfillment ID column. In our case, we don't, so we can ignore that one. And so the only columns we really want to keep track of are the tracking number, the URL, and send receipt. So what we can do is we can go back to the start, and we will delete all the other columns that we have here. We want to leave one column here to identify the order. If you have the ID, that's the best way to identify it. But if you're importing from another system or you just have the order name, that's fine. So we can leave it like this. Now we'll put the information in that we want to update the orders with. So we can put in a tracking number here, and if we have a URL for that, we can do something like that and put it in here. We can put additional numbers here to update additional orders, and then for the send receipt column, if we set that to true, the app will send an email through Shopify letting the customer know that the order has been updated. So now we'll save this file, this one that ends in 650, and we can go back to the Altera app. Here we'll go back to the home page of the app. We'll click on Upload File, and we'll choose our file that we have here. The app will quickly analyze that file, let you know if there's any warnings, and then we can click on Start Import. Now the app will parse the spreadsheet and make those updates to the order. We see that everything is complete now. So if we go back to the Shopify admin and we view these orders, we can see that they now have the new tracking numbers here with, in this case, the tracking URL placed as well. That's all there is to it. You can find Altera on the Shopify App Store, and please reach out to our support if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.